You're thinking of copying and pasting and making money with the help of YouTube without showing your face, then I can say you that this is one of the best ways that you can actually use. Now think about it like this. You can see this video, which is pretty much amazing to be true, and this video is actually being done with the help of some special people, that is by using the power of YouTube cash cow faceless channels. So how you can actually make videos like this is pretty much easy. So you can see up here, the name of the channel is Top Luxury, and they have got like 655k views, and that is pretty much amazing. You can see all of the videos up there which is being done is really amazing. That why is it paying the strangest place, the secrets of the 7 new world, that is the world wonders, and you can see this mega project is saving the ocean. So you can see that it's getting like 1.9 million views. You can see the popular section. You will be able to see that this is the most useless mega projects in the world. 42 million, 9 billion, 6.7, 6.1. Basically this is making some good amount of money. You can see 85 uploads only. This is being made in Germany, and this is pretty much awesome. So you can see this is a German channel that is making some good amount of money. Like how much? So you can actually assume that this channel is making 7.7 million views every single 30 days, 25k subscribers. And not just that, this channel is actually making some great as in what? Great as in $50,000 to $60,000 every single month, which is just phenomenal. Which is pretty much phenomenal because you can see that they are getting views like this every single month. How you can do is very simple. For this, to make videos just like this, you simply need one simple thing. The first thing is to have a script. You can click on here, show transcript, and after that you'll be able to see this is the script that they have used. The second thing is you need a voiceover artist. You can actually hire it with the help of Fiverr, Upwork, and then you can do it yourself if you're just starting by. The third thing is video editors who are going to be editing all these videos simply for you, so it's going to be taking some real less time. So this is how you can actually make videos with the help of this channel, and you can make a channel just like this. After that, you can, whenever you upload 85 quality videos, do proper optimization, you can have subscribers like this if you do everything correctly and you just put consistent effort of hard work up there. So you can see they have got like a spike up here, like 23 million views on November's and on 2021 basically. And right now you can see that they are getting like consistent amount of 1 million views every single day. So which is pretty much great, right? So this is good. I mean, this is just great. You can see every single day onto the daily they're getting 250k views, and weekly they're getting million amount of views, that is 1.7 million, and on last 30 days they have got 7.7 million views. Pretty amazing. So every single day this channel is generating somewhere around $2,000 to $3,000 every single day, and this is pretty much great to be true, as this is just a perfect example of how you can actually make money with the help of YouTube without actually showing your face and without using any voice, for example.